Hey, behave.
Run.
No. No. Hot.
Gidiyoruz. Gel hadi kızım gel. Gel.
Sit. Frankie, sit. You want to treat Frank? Sit. Frankie, sit. Frankie? Frankie, sit. No, don't talk back.
Tonis. Hallå. Här, är det godis?
One fish, one fur thing, some feathers, one kitty.
Jesus Christ. Hurry.
If you're happy and you know it, just say ooh. If you're happy and you know it, just say ooh. If you're happy and you know it and you
Kijk dan. Kijk dan met je kamertje, man.
Dear my beloved audiences, today I want to tell you a story, which is called Thanos the Stray, a dog's journey through Athens. In the heart of Athens, among the ancient stones and marble columns, lived a dog named Thanos. He wasn't named after a comic villain. No, in Greek, Thanos means immortal, and somehow the name suited him. He was an old, gentle stray, with gray fur, tired eyes, and a limp in his back leg. But every morning, just as the sun touched the Parthenon, Thanos would rise, stretch, and begin his quiet rounds through the city. He didn't belong to anyone, yet he belonged to everyone. Chapter 1: The City and the Dog. Thanos knew the rhythm of Athens better than most people. He visited the same places every day. The little cafe in Plaka, where the barista, Nico, always left a piece of kaluri for him. The bookstore by Monastiraki, where he would nap by the window while tourists took pictures. The elderly widow, Eleni, who lived above a pharmacy and always greeted him with Calimera. Agape Mao, good morning, my love. People say the streets of Athens hum with history. Thanos didn't just hear it. He walked it. Chapter 2: The Boy on the Steps. One rainy afternoon, as the skies over Athens turned gray and heavy, Thanos was curled under a bench in Syntagma Square when he noticed a boy, alone, sitting on the marble steps, shivering, without a coat. The boy couldn't have been more than 10, and something about the way he sat, silent and still in the rain, stirred something deep inside Thanos. He limped over slowly and sat next to him. The boy looked down at him. "You don't have a home either?" "Huh," he said. Thanos laid his head on the boy's knee. The boy smiled just barely. It was the beginning of something. Chapter 3: A Friend in the City. For the next few weeks, the people of Athens began to see two figures on the streets, the old stray and the quiet boy. The boy's name was Alexis. His mother had passed away the year before. His father, struggling with grief and unemployment, had disappeared from their apartment. Alexis had wandered, alone, until he found the square. Now, he followed Thanos each morning, from the cafe to the bookstore, to Eleni's porch where she began to leave out 2 biscuits instead of 1. When Alexis would cry at night, curled on a bench, Thanos would rest beside him, his old heart thudding steady and calm. They didn't need words. The city whispered enough stories for them both. Chapter 4. A City That Notices. One morning, as the 2 companions passed by the bookstore, the owner, an older man named Stavros, stepped outside. "Alexis," he said, "do you read?" The boy shrugged. "Not much." Stavros handed him a worn copy of the Odyssey in simple Greek. "It's about a journey," he said, "like yours." From then on, Alexis sat in the corner of the shop each morning, reading beside Thanos, who snored softly by the heater. Word spread. A teacher brought a clean sweater. The cafe owner gave sandwiches. Someone from shelter came, gently offering a place to stay. Chapter 5. Winter's Edge. Then, one cold December night, the sky opened and snow blanketed the city, a rare sight in Athens. Alexis and Thanos took shelter beneath an awning pressed close together. But by morning, Thanos wasn't moving as quickly. His breaths were shallow. Alexis panicked. He ran to the cafe, to the bookstore, to Eleni. "Please," he cried. "He's not okay." Eleni knelt beside the old dog, tears in her eyes. "He's very old, sweet boy. Maybe it's his time." But Alexis shook his head. "He waited for me. I won't let him go alone." Chapter 6. The Hospital for Dogs. A kind vet, a friend of Nico the barista, offered to help. Thanos was brought in, wrapped in a warm blanket. For 2 days, he stayed there, fighting. Alexis never left his side. The city held its breath. And then, Thanos opened one eye. Weak but still there. Still Thanos. Chapter 7. A New Home. Weeks passed. The shelter helped Alexis reunite with his aunt, a kind woman who lived in the hills of Kephysia. She had searched for him for months. With her arms wide open and tears falling, she took him in, along with a very special dog. And so, for the first time, Thanos had a home. Not just a street or a bench or a patch of sun, but a real bed, warm meals, and a boy who loved him. Epilogue. Immortal. Thanos lived 2 more years. Each day, he walked slower, but never stopped wagging his tail. When he passed, Alexis buried him under an olive tree on the edge of their yard. He carved a simple stone that read, "Here lies Thanos, the dog who found me when I was lost." In the end, the name suited him perfectly, because though Thanos the dog may be gone, in Athens, in stories, in hearts, he truly lives on. If you like this video, please leave a like and a subscribe. It will really help our channel grow. But if you don't like it, then just skip it, and don't forget to check out our other videos. Thank you very much and goodbye.